So now let's see how we can insert audio inside of Google Slides. So in order to do that, first of all, I need to upload an audio into Google Drive. In order to do that, I'm going to go around and open up a new tab right here, and then I'm going to type in drive.google.com. Once I go over here, I'm going to go around into new, and then I'm going to choose file upload, and then from the desktop, I'm just going to upload this recording right here, which I recorded for this very purpose. So it is in MP3 format, as you can see right here, and it has been uploaded into my Google Drive. So now in order to import it in Google Slides, I'm just going to close this, and then I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to choose audio. So once I do that, you can see right here, it accesses my Google Drive right here, and there you go. There's the recording in my recent files, as you can see. If you don't see the file here, then you can go around and just type in the name of the file right here, and it'll show up in the result. So your Google Drive file is accessible. That is, audio files are accessible right here. So you simply select the audio and click select, and what happens is that it says it's creating audio, meaning it is inserting an audio right here, and there you go. So there is the audio file. So I can hit the play button. This is a test audio that is going to be uploaded into Google Slides. So you can see that the audio player is there. If I were to click on present right here, you can see that the audio file is there. So now you can go ahead. That is going to be uploaded. You can pause it and then play that around. And that is how you can insert audio inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.